Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the update on MBOX. On a 7 days time frame chart for the past almost 2 years, it is moving inside this huge falling wedge pattern since after the month of March 2022 and forming low lows and lower highs. And recently, the price and has formed a new low. It was dropped at approximately 7.98 cents. And by the way, we have also tested the previous low of the month of August 2024. That was here, approximately at 11.5 cents. And the price and despite this long spike to the downside, could not break down the previous low that is still working as a nice support. And also tested this very long-term support of the falling wedge pattern as well and geared up. And at the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic on the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that once again it has entered the oversold zone. And we have also received the bull cross as well, like this fast line, the blue line has crossed up the slow line, the orange line. That is a buying signal from the oversold zone. Previously, when it was already moving in the oversold zone and the price line was dropped down here at the support of the red, then we had a very, very nice reversal and the price line moved up and got rejected by the resistance of this red. This time again, the price line bounced very well. And this move is quite synchronized once again with the movement of the stochastic as well. If we take a look at the MACD is still extremely oversold, but turning bullish. You can see that it is turned weak bearish from very, very strong bearish. So that is also a bullish signal, like it was started turning bullish here. And then we had a very, very strong, bullish signal by MACD. And you can see that the price then started a very, very nice reversal, but could not break out the resistance of the wedge despite this very, very powerful reversal move. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you my most recent trade signal for MBOX that I shared a few days ago on 15th of Feb 2025 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for MBOX that I shared a few days ago on 15th of Feb 2025 with my members, almost 6 days ago. And that was a bullish Gartler pattern that MBOX was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line slightly dropped more down and into the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very nice reverse and read the sell target sign here and here as well. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of MBOX. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that since after the month of March 2022, it is moving inside this huge falling wedge pattern. We had rejection here, so many touch points here for several months at the support. Then we had another rejection by the resistance. Then we had another bounce, rejection, and recently the price line is once again bounced from the support of this wedge. At the same time, the price line has also tested this very long-term support of 11.5 cents. That was previously breaking as support. And now again, it worked as a very, very nice support. The price and could not break it down. But in case of breaking it down, it can again drop at the support of the wedge somewhere here, possibly at 7.5 cents. At the same time, you can see that stochastic has entered the oversold zone and MACD is already oversold and turning bullish from very, very strong bearish to weak bearish. It is turning. That is a bullish signal, and I'm expecting that soon it will be turned strong bullish as well. And this time, if the price and hits the resistance of the red, then you can see that it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at uh, 20 cents or 21 cents. And by the way, at 20 cents, we already have a very, very strong resistance as well. That was previously working as support here, resistance here, and now again, it can work as a very strong resistance. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the wedge, we can expect a very, very massive pump, a long-term rally. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $4. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.